This short crash course video will walk you through the process of completing a landing page analysis. At the conclusion of the analysis, you can understand how your page is performing in terms of page speed, headline score, content score, and visually using our advanced attention heat mapping technology. For the purpose of the video, we will use MailChimp as the example business. Okay, to begin with, enter the product description, keywords, and URL. After this, you just need to hit Analyze. As there is a lot of analysis happening at this point, particularly to generate the attention heat map, you need to wait a minute or two until all of the results load on the page. Once the analysis is finished, you can instantly see how the page measures up for a variety of metrics across desktop and mobile. Now let's work through the report and explain each section so that you can understand more about what's going on and how to use this information to improve your own landing pages. At the top, we have a summary, which gives you the general score across both desktop and mobile. The next feature is our attention heat map. SpeedPPC's landing page heat map uses AI technology to create a heat map analysis of your site. It shows exactly where users' eyes and clicks are drawn to. This tool uses some sophisticated AI to predict with a very high probability what would happen within an eye tracking study. Ideally, you want to design your pages to most intensely focus on the call to action, which is the main thing that is going to drive conversions. The next heading is page speed. The reason why we are concerned with page speed metrics for both desktop and mobile is that your site will be judged within Google Ads itself. They really do care about page speed. They want you to have a fast page speed because they know the relationship between page speed and conversion rate. Then we move to the headline section. Every site has to start somewhere when trying to attract the attention of the viewer. One of the most obvious and important places is the main headline. Most of the time, this is where the eye of the viewer is drawn when the page loads. If it doesn't contain any relevant information, users may click away and search for another page that meets their needs. This part of the analysis also uses some AI technology that interprets the headlines to see whether they're persuasive or descriptive. The last section looks at the site copy. A good website is not all about design. Content is still very important. While people might appreciate your pretty fonts and images, most visitors are seeking information about what your website offers. A content score analysis looks at all the content from your website and helps to determine its strengths and weaknesses. You can see how all of this rich information provides you with so many tangible ways to improve your landing pages in just a couple of clicks.